You feel me? I'm about to show y'all how to fix a water machine, you feel me? I just seen a lot of people on Facebook stuff break their water machine. Go buy a new one, man. Look, man, I'm gonna tell you how to fix it, you feel me? See, I broke the water thing, you feel me? I broke it on purpose, you feel me? Let y'all see it, you feel me? See, I broke the water piece right on, you feel me? That's that, you feel me? All damn do is take a plastic bag and show y'all how y'all supposed to fix it. The water gonna go straight, smooth and everything, you feel me? I let y'all see that I broke it, you feel me? That's the piece right there. So I got the bags and stuff, you feel me? So you really supposed to fix something, man. Y'all don't know how to do and what to not do. You feel me? I been seeing a lot of things, man. Y'all don't need anything fixed, come to me. I'm a mechanic myself. I do it real good, you feel me? Anything you need. Let me show you how y'all supposed to fix it. Yeah. Just sit and watch the line, you feel me? You sit watching line, you feel me? Take it and stuff, you feel me? You gotta know what you're doing when you get in it, you feel me? I got hot glue shit, you feel me? I just doing something with the glue, you feel me? Just be doing something with it, you know? Take hit it, hit it down with it, you feel me? Hit it down with it, you feel me? Gotta get down with it, you feel me? Everything good, everything all straight, you feel me? Feel me? Just be patient with it, you feel me? Everything go smooth, you feel me? Gotta make sure things get right, you feel me? That's just a piece of trash right there, you feel me? I do things real good, you feel me? I think this one of my best techniques is fixing things, you feel me? Everything all cool till you get down to it. Feel me? This hot glue, you feel me? Gotta keep things safe, you feel me? Cause it will burn, you feel me? I got burned with a couple of times, you feel me? This ain't nothing, you feel me? This is what I do, you feel me though? Got love some things, get some things, you feel me? Just the plastic, you feel me? Make sure the plastic stay hooked to it. Give it some touch, you feel me? Just make sure the plastic stay hooked to it and stuff, you feel me? It's a pretty good long video. It's the longest it ever take me to fix something. You feel me? See, I'm a serious man when it comes down to business. I get paid so much money, it don't make sense. Just fix things. Nah, I lying. Nah, but for real, I do. You feel me? Just stick to the bargain. Everything will be straight, you feel me? Gotta try your best not get hit with it and stuff. But you feel me? That's just, if you want to get hit with it, hey, help yourself. But this right here, I do. Burn the bag, whatever. You feel me? When you come down to it, whoa. See, I got that under control. You feel me? How I cut it on so nothing happened to it. See, I cut my hand out real quick. Feel me? That's how you do it. The bag stuck down there. You feel me? The bag stuck. The bag stuck down there. Yeah. See, I'm back. So I got the glue stick. You feel me? The glue stick. It helped me out here. Feel me? I'm gonna waste some of the glue. Base out cool. It didn't really have work in that, but a couple of $100. You feel me? just to get it together. You feel me? Gotta get a whole bunch of stick rules. You feel me? I ain't good with shit hot yet. When it comes to this thing, I reckon this my biggest problem and stuff. When it comes to this thing, I'm gonna just take that then push it on the bag. It's pretty hot. Then see the glue is hot. See that? The glue hot. So you might be careful. See that's pretty loose. That's pretty loose in it, ain't it? You got too many bags stuck to it. That's it. This ain't nothing, baby. Just a little bit of glue to get it. Sticking in there. You feel me? Take a little glue. Everything be all good with it. Everything about all good. Feel me? I don't eat glue and that, but this is the main thing. This will take some time for y'all to understand the fit. Just as long as it ever takes. So I'm teaching y'all, so y'all will better yourself. Educate and everything, do it for yourself. You feel me? I refuse to pay anybody to fit something where I can fix myself. You feel me? That's normal. You feel me? That's just normal. Glue hot, ready and stuff. We cut that thing on. Put the thing on there. See, I got the glue stuff to certain parts. I just need to get it down to certain parts. See, I really can't reach down there. But feel me? But this do a lot of things for y'all to understand that see, it fits, it perfectly fits. So I cut my water on, nothing ain't happen. Feel me? But it's great. Feel me? I cut the water on, nothing happened. So thing fits, have a great day. Move on, do something better in your life. I want y'all to be on Batman to educate yourself and do something good. I messed up my life, I had something good going for myself. So I ran in the streets and do the things I did. But, you feel me? This how y'all fix the washing machine. So y'all need any problem, y'all need anything fit. I'm gonna post more videos on how y'all supposed to fix things, games, anything. Feel me? Phone, whatever y'all need. I'm gonna teach y'all how to fix it. Alright? Y'all have a nice day. Appreciate you.